It came from everywhere.
All over the world. Even here, Rhode Island's governor, Dan McKee, called him a Rhode Island treasure.
Right, ordering flags to half-mast. It shows the level of respect.
He really did kind of shatter that traditional image of a judge, didn't he? Stern, removed.
Completely. His public image, mostly from caught in Providence, that ran 2018 to 2020, I think.
Yeah, that sounds right. It showed real cases, often pretty minor stuff like parking tickets, traffic violations.
But it was his interactions, right? The empathy, sometimes the humor with the defendants.
Yeah.
That's what blew up online. Huge social media following.
Which makes you think, I mean, how does a municipal court judge dealing with everyday things become this global sensation? How does he challenge our whole perception of justice?
Well, what's fascinating, I think, is how his approach just resonated. It tapped into this public desire for more humanity in the system.
Yeah, less bureaucracy, more understanding.
Exactly. He became known for being fair, compassionate, often showing real leniency if someone was clearly going through a hard time.
Which is such a stark contrast to how courtrooms are often seen, impersonal, maybe even cold.
Right. He wasn't just applying the law in a vacuum. He seemed to genuinely try to understand the person standing in front of him.
So it wasn't just about being nice, like a pushover. It was deeper.
Precisely.
Yeah.
It felt like he recognized that sometimes real justice meant looking at the underlying human issues, not just the ticket or the infraction itself.
That's a really important distinction, not just leniency, but understanding. So where did that come from? You have to wonder about his roots, his early life.
Absolutely. Let's dive into that. He was born November 24, 1936, Providence, Rhode Island.
In the Italian-American neighborhood, Federal Hill.
Right. And his family story, well, it tells you a lot. Second of three sons, his parents, Antonio and Filomena Caprio.
His father was an immigrant from Italy.
Yeah, Tiano, Italy. Came over and worked incredibly hard. Fruit peddler, milkman, long hours, tough jobs.
Wow. So that foundation, that understanding of hard work, the daily grind, it was right there from the start.
Clearly instilled in him. You see it in his own early life, too.
Yeah, attending Providence public schools, but also working, dishwasher, shoe shiner, helping support his studies.
Shows incredible dedication early on. And here's something I found surprising.
Oh, yeah.
He was a wrestler. Graduated Central High School, and in 1953 won the state wrestling title.
No way! A wrestling champ. That adds a whole different dimension, doesn't it? Determination, grit.
Absolutely. Not just academic.
Yeah.
Then he went on to get his bachelor's from Providence College in 58.
And then law school.
Yep, Suffolk University School of Law in Boston. And he also served, interestingly, in the Rhode Island Army National Guard.
When is that?
From 1954 to 1962. So military service was part of his background, too.